All right, let's just continue our discussion on speed and performance of your WordPress website. Again, you really only have a few seconds to hook your visitors in terms of loading content. Of course, you have to worry about the actual content on the page and the design that is meant to impress them, but you do have to still do it within a reasonable time frame. And one of the main reasons why people's websites are so slow is because of images. Images weigh a lot, especially as we use our iPhones or our digital cameras to take high resolution and oversized images. They just cause a lot of weight for our servers, and it's unnecessary. A website only has enough space to display an image, so there's no reason to upload a file completely full-sized and leave it as is. So this is why we use Smush. Smush is a wonderful image optimization plugin, and what it does is it automatically compresses images for you. And that just means it shrinks them down to a more reasonable size while keeping the quality of the image the same or nearly the same on your website. So everything still looks crisp and clear. The main difference is that it's not taking as much space up on your server. It makes it easy to share it with people on the front end of your website quickly. So this is Smush, very easy to use. When you first get inside it, it's going to ask you to bulk smush your files. So go ahead and click that. And it usually just takes a couple seconds to smush or compress each of your images. Now, going forward, you want to automate this. You don't want to have to worry about smushing or compressing your images every time you upload a new one. So just scroll down to your settings and make sure this toggle is set. And that way, you don't have to worry about this again. So you've automated image optimization and compression. You have your caching system in place. Your website is ready to run fast and keep Google and your users happy.